Hello. Kaon pa. Mani.
Ano nga ang gagarin ang make it little?
Buksan natin.
Little, the seeds.
Wow.
Ano?
Sarap.
The seeds. Put it inside the rubbing. The rubbing alcohol. And every night,
Yummy.
make it little,
Ito pala yung tsura niya.
avocado seeds and put it inside the rubbing alcohol.
Like this.
And then every night, every time you sleep,
Tigas.
rub in your knee.
Wow. Kailangan pukpukin.
Because my friend in Philippines, her niece also is swelling. She can't walk. She drank too much medicine. But she tried
Comment
that.
guys.
She felt better.
Kung alam nyo to. Mali.
Ano ka? Manghihi. Naku ah. Ano ko magsigit English.
Ito siya. Ito yung balat niya matigas. Tapos ito yung laman niya. Sarap.